Hey, you want to do another one?
Yeah.
What do you want to do?
Yeah. Orange. I think mine's done. I think.
Wow, that's cool, Connor.
I put
Here, Connor, hold it up for the camera.
Which two colors do you want?
That's cool, bud.
Green and should I take the one?
Green and yellow.
Yeah. My goodness.
What?
Green and orange.
Green and orange? Okay.
Okay. It's in there.
Podge.
Now what should be my
Podgy.
last one?
Hi.
I want to make it blue.
Hi, Podge.
Connor, move. These are cool. I need to make it one.
We gotta do something with those blue. They're not pretty.